Well, as you've probably seen in recent weeks on my community posts and on my shorts, I've been binge buying quite a lot on Temu just recently, so I thought it was time to make another little Temu haul video and hopefully give you some more Temu tips. Of course, I do need to say that I have been good and I actually haven't bought anything from Temu at all since I did my last Temu vid, and that was over a year ago now. Now, because of how Temu works, there's no real point in me giving you any links to any of these items, mainly because what you find on Temu is that you have the same item listed a gazillion times. But if you do like anything of what you see, if you just type it in the search bar in Temu, you'll eventually find it. Right, so let's start. Now, first up, we have this set of collapsible bowls. I'd actually been after collapsible bowls for car camping for ages because I think, well, they're absolutely perfect really, aren't they? They fold up, they take up little room, they're easy to clean, and the fact this comes in a set of 3 means you can chop and choose as to what size you actually want. Now, quality wise, they're okay, and I'll give you more feedback when I use them on my next car camp. And whilst we're on a collapsible theme, something else I bought that I'd been thinking about buying for ages is a little collapsible kitchen bowl. Now, this is only small, the material is quite thin, but again, I think it's absolutely perfect for what I want to use it for, and importantly, takes up hardly any room. Now, Temu is littered with absolutely tons of tat. Stuff that you'll buy that you don't really need, but for me that was my headrest balaclava, which I do think in some weird way it kind of acts as a little security, because mine only came in a set of 1, so it kind of half looks like someone's sitting in the car, kind of, not really, but you know. And with the mention of Temu tat comes my first tip. Now, I only do orders of either £10 or £15 posted, and basically the majority of my items are like £2, £3, £4, £5 and under. Now, if something doesn't work, don't just chuck it in the bin. Basically go onto the app, go to return refund and select return refund for that item, because you will get an instant Temu credit refund. Mainly because it isn't worth their while in paying to have it shipped back. Now, I have found on an item I sent back that was £10, which was supposed to be a 4-season sleeping bag, actually that was complete and utter rubbish, but I did have to send that back as it was £10. Now, as the winter car camping season is definitely over, we are entering into what I call the hot box car camping season. But that leads me nicely on to the next item that I bought, and that is this. It's something I've never seen before, and I haven't tested it in the car yet, so we will do that now. Well, as you can probably tell, this is a headrest fan. Now, for me, this will work perfectly because I do sleep my head up that end of the car. So we'll give this a good testing next time I go car camping. Now, the only downside with this headrest fan is that it doesn't come with its own inbuilt power supply. So it does come with an extra long USB lead, but you will need to power it. And that is a really good segue into the next 2 items. These are both emergency backup power sources for my phone. Now, the reason why I've bought these is because I think they are great to carry with you all the time, basically. I mean, they're only small, they give you about a full charge, but if you're car camping and you don't have a power bank and you don't have any other type of source of power, then these I think are ideal because, like I say, they will give you an emergency charge. And this one, which has both USB-C and a iPhone charge as well, well, in theory you could use that on other stuff. USB-C, you could plug it into, I don't know, a tablet or something like that, so you could use it for other stuff. But I think these are absolutely essential, actually, just in terms of day-to-day life. Now, the next thing is this, And this is something you've seen already in car camping videos and on the short. And this is an engine OBDII car diagnostic tool. Basically what it does, it will show you what the fault code is on your engine when the engine light comes up. Now what makes this so good, I think, is that when your engine light goes on, you go to a car garage and you've got no idea what's wrong with the car. You just have to believe what they tell you. Well, with this, it can give you an idea of what it is, and you can actually clear the code as well. Now, someone did say in the comments, why would you want to clear the code? You're just hiding something that's wrong. Well, when I had fault codes on my Zafira before, the RAC man cleared the codes and then wanted to see if the codes came back, because that would show you there is actually something still wrong with the car. Now, last time I cleared the code on this car, well, the code still hasn't come back. So on one level, are you saving money? Because that's now something that doesn't have to be fixed, but did it need to be fixed? And this I only paid £6 for, so it's well worth its money. Next we have this little tiny singular wireless Bluetooth headphone. Now the reason why I bought this, and I think it can be great for car camping, is especially at night time. Say you want to listen to something on your phone, or even when you go to sleep you want to listen to some white noise and stuff. Basically you can have this in, but you can still clearly hear everything that's going on around you. Now my biggest Temu tip for this video is something I didn't know about until this time round. And basically when you do an order, about a week afterwards, go back into your order and look for the tab that says price readjustment, because basically what Temu will do is they will refund you any difference in price between what you paid for it and what it now is. Now that might only be 20p here, 50p there. On some it's even £1, but it's well worth doing it because you get it back as an instant Temu refund. So obviously it's encouraging you to buy more, but already cheap items become even cheaper. Now there's one thing I bought for car camping which I've actually started to use on my DJ lives instead, and that is these rather funky voice activated fairy lights. Now this is proper old school for car camping. These are 4 strip lights. They all have their own individual sticky backs on. This also comes with a little remote control, so you can have set colours, and it's the white, that's the good one for car camping. What I like about these ones though is the fact you have 4 individual strips, so it's really handy for putting in different locations around the roof of your car. So the last part of this video is basically Temu versions of stuff I've already bought. So first up we have the Temu version of my car camping kitchen. Then we have the Temu version of my wire tidy. Then, now this is an important thing to learn, always read the small print. I said it on the last video, but this is the condensation bag, which as you can probably tell here is a little bit smaller than the one I previously had. Now I do have another one of these on the way. And then lastly we have this, which is actually a extendable washing line, which I think is quite cool. And now we're going to see how these Temu items compare to their Amazon counterparts. So this is my current car camping kitchen. I love it. As you can tell, you've got loads of room to put stuff in here, zipped compartments, nice bit up there for your herbs and spices, but importantly you can hang it. So the Temu version basically is exactly the same thing. It feels the same, it's just slightly smaller, but as you can see everything's the same. You've got your big compartment there, your little zip up compartments, your herb compartment, and the all important hook. Now the next item to compare is what I call my electronics bag. So in this I keep all my wires, all my batteries, all my GoPro stuff. Basically it's a really good way to keep all your electrical gumph in one spot. Now the Temu version, well, once again the problem with this item being different to the one I've got is my own fault. I was looking at so many, I ended up buying a slightly different one to the one I actually have, but it's still good. You've got a nice little storage this side, you've got 2 little bits down, actually 3 bits 2 little wire ties, another bit there, and again, I think it's a perfect little thing for car camping. So the reason why I bought all of these was to do another little Temu giveaway. Obviously there'll be a second one of these once it comes, but all you need to do to win all this stuff is just write, I don't know, yes please in the comments, something like that. And then what I'll do in a few weeks time, because obviously I'm going to Hong Kong soon, so in a few weeks time I'll draw the winner in a video. Now I think because these items are quite small, I think I'll be happy to send that worldwide, not just UK. So yeah, this is open to everyone. And that pretty much is the end of my second car camping Temu haul video. So yes, I hope as always you found this video useful, and until next time, take care.